Hey everyone, it's Nina from BI Samurai, and today I want to show you our new free custom visual called Nebula. So Nebula helps you create beautiful designs in Power BI. It doesn't require any outside tools, so everything is done inside Power BI. It's also just one visual, so all of the design elements that you add are going to be stored in that visual, meaning you're not going to clutter your report pages with a lot of different elements or a lot of different visuals. It's not going to impact your performance in any negative way, and all of your visuals, other visuals, are also going to be rendered normally as if Nebula was not even there. So as you can see here, I have a page with some cards on the left, some development over time, some bar charts, a table, and a slicer. Nothing special, very simple, very basic. Also some simple data, dummy data. So yeah, I have my data visualized, but now I need to create a little bit of a design so my page actually tells a story and my page it's easy to use, it's intuitive, and yeah, looks good. So I'm going to start by, so to add Nebula, I already have it here, but you can find it on our website. We're going to add a link below this video where you can download it. And once you have it downloaded, you go under More Visuals, import a visual from a file, select that file that you will download from our website, and you can add it in here. There are some tips and tricks of how to start using Nebula. We don't have time to get into those now, but they are all on our website. We're also going to add that link, so you can always just, refer to there and make sure that your Nebula will work. Will work and it will create the best results for you. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to create a design and I'm going to add what I call a background of a background. So I'm just going to I added a rectangle that I spread across the whole page. I'm going to, remove the border. I'm going to edit a bit of a light gray color, and that's it. But now, because this is across the whole page, I cannot really see what's below it. So what we added is a button that you can press, and it makes your Nebula visual a little bit transparent, so you can see everything that you have on the page below the Nebula right now. So I have my background for background. Now I'm going to create and add some other elements. I'm going to add a header, meaning I'm going to add another rectangle. I'm going to size it nicely, let's say somewhere here. I'm going to again say I don't need borders for this, and I'm going to change the color. I'm going to try to match a little bit with the colors that we already have on the page. So something like this, I think, should do the trick. Okay, so now I have my header. I can add more slicers there or a title, and I can separate those from the actual data on my page. Now I'm going to just add some boxes for my cards. So I'm going to, align them nicely. I'm going to also, again, remove the border. I'm going to make the corners a bit rounded. So I'm going to say border radius 10, and I'm going to add a shadow. I'm just going to put 4 here everywhere. It doesn't have to be perfect, but yeah, let's try to have a nice little shadow. And I want now the same boxes for the other of my cards, and I'm just simply going to copy and paste. So really Control-C, Control-V, and in a few, probably under a minute, I have all of the boxes for all of my parts. So what I'm also going to do, again with the copy and paste, really just, add more boxes for my other visuals, for my, in this case now, bar charts. So I'm really simply just trying to align all of this nicely, adding also here to the bottom. Okay, and just one more. All right, and I'm going to disable the transparency, and I'm just gonna click somewhere else. And now I have a nice design, nice background. I have boxes for all of my visuals, and it was really done in maybe 2, maybe 3 minutes. I'm not sure if it took that long. Now a really cool thing about Nebula now is that, for example, if you want to, let's say, resize something, so you want to make this bigger and you want to make this one a bit smaller. If you had other tools, you would have to go out of the tool, change the sizes there, hope that you're doing it, hope that you aligned it correctly, export it, import it back into Power BI and so on. With Nebula, I'm really just going to edit it on the spot. So I'm going to say this one is going to be smaller and this one is going to be bigger. So really in a few seconds, we were able to align again very nicely with the visuals that we have on the page. This is it, what I would show today, but I would love if you give us some feedback. I'm going to add my contact under this video as well, so you can let us know either feedback, if you have any questions, if you just want to know more, have a longer demo or something like that. We're always happy to get any kind of emails or feedbacks or just thoughts on Nebula. I'm going to add all of the links to our page, to the visual and everything below the video as well. So yes, I hope you download Nebula. I hope you play around with it a little bit, and I hope you can start using it to make very nice background designs. Thank you so much, and see you next time.